So the idea is to take this bike to New Century, what is it, BMW? New Century BMW, and then trade this bike in for a cup bike. Because I've been racing this bike at Chuckwalla and Auto Club Speedway, and it's been a whole lot of fun, but what happened is that these foot pegs need to be changed. I also feel like I need to change the suspension and redo it, and when I tallied everything up, it's about $2,500–3,000 just to do everything on the bike the way I want it to be. And so the cup bike has already everything installed, and trading it for a cup bike, so today this bike is out. Just got here and taking in my KTM, and I'm going to do the swap with the RC390 Cup bike, so this is pretty exciting. But it's also sad letting this bike go because this was my first bike. I went to 2 track days with it. I did Auto Club Speedway, which you've already seen videos, and then I also did Chuckwalla, which you've already seen videos, of course. And this is the bike I learned how to ride motorcycles in for the first time. This was a couple of months ago. But it's sad seeing it go, but at the same time, now I'm getting a cup bike. It's going to be 100% focused on racing, and that's where I'm headed to next. I want to learn how to race, and I'm going to be going to California Superbike School in the next couple of months, so it's going to get really, really exciting. So, but it's sad to see it go at the same time. Got some extra horsepower, be careful.
Hello, new KTM.
Sad to see it go.
So at the BMW dealership, we're going to be test riding a few bikes here. Max is going to be riding the 9T. It's a cafe racer bike, and I'm going to be demoing the S1000R bike. And yeah, we're going to be riding around what is this, LA, Los Angeles, Fremont area. Should be a pretty fun time. All right, so me and Max right now are riding some really, really cool BMW motorcycles. What's up, Max? So he's got a 9T, and I have the BMW S1000R. Unfortunately, they did not have any S1000RRs, but look how cool this thing sounds. Yeah. This freaking BMW is so smooth. And it has clutchless upshift and down. It is so smooth, butter smooth. So comfortable to ride. I could ride this thing for hours and hours and hours. Looking slick there. Woo! First impressions of this bike, it is very, very smooth. I love the up and down quick shifter. The seat is incredibly, incredibly comfortable. I like the height of the handlebars. I mean, honestly, this is the kind of bike that you can ride all day, every single day. And you can commute on it anywhere you want. Just got to our lunch spot right now. Where is this? Dew House. Yeah, they sell dogs, sausages, and hamburgers. Dogs, sausages, and hamburgers. Alright, so just finished our lunch right now, and we're hitting the road. And I think we're going to be going up to Angeles Crest just to check that out, because it's not that far away from us. Should be a pretty good time.
Have to do it with motocicleta.
What am I doing? Riding it.
Riding?
Yeah. You like it? You want me to teach you?
Nice.
Thank you. I love how smooth this bike is. And it feels so flickable. I don't know how much this thing weighs. But I gotta tell you one thing though. Being from San Diego and going to a different place, I'm in Los Angeles right now. Being in Los Angeles or just at a different place, it does feel good to ride a motorcycle somewhere where you're not familiar. Traveling is a very, very cool thing. And on top of that, having a BMW dealership trust you with a $16,000, $17,000 bike, that's also very, very cool. Oh man, I heard that little pop. Love it. Max, your vision all the way, when you're making a turn, look all the way through the turn, okay? Max? I can't believe I'm riding in Angeles Crest right now with a BMW S1000R. What a beautiful experience. This is so cool. This bike turns in so quickly. Wow. The suspension on this bike is amazing, man. Oh, it is so amazing. Butter smooth. And it handles so well. All you have to do is just look and the bike goes. The steering is almost telepathic. It's all starting to come together now. Just got back from our little ride. That was a really, really good time. It was a lot of fun, but I am here with my brand new RC390 CUP bike. Check this out.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me every time that you pick up the phone.